this. It's Arduino stuff and like some basic stuff just about it and how to run the program to an extent. There are two ways to get to a screen where you can actually write and input code, and that's an offline download version that I have and the online web editor on their website. But for that you have to create an account, but it's free. So the only difference is the online one allows you to access it from any computer, and you can change it from anywhere and upload it to an Arduino that you have. The offline just allows you to. The only thing I like more about the offline truly is that I can use my taskbar, toolbar up here to get to stuff like the sketch and like my sketchbook stuff that I've previously looked at. And it also lets me open my recent stuff, like stuff I've looked at in the past, and then I can also get to examples in the very basic examples like Blink, which opens up a Blink program and tells you exactly what it is, exactly what it's doing to make it run or fade, which is a similar thing, but it turns on and fades off, and it does just repeats that because it's in a loop. It's always in a loop when it comes out, but yeah, with it you have to make sure whenever you're writing your code, you're going to want to verify it to actually make sure that it will work, and the whole program will tell you if it'll work, but it has to it compiles it together and it says this will work, or it'll tell you no, it won't work because of this, this, and this. It'll give you an error message, like it says this is going to work, but if say I were to take out that and put that, it's then gonna say that doesn't exist. You can't do that. So you have to make sure that you're careful with your lettering and such, but also just making sure you're verifying such. And then you have to upload it to your program, to your actual Arduino, an IED, I believe, or IDE, one of the two. But then with this, I know for my personal project, it was messed up because when I was first trying to actually get it to work, it wasn't. It was selected. It's automatically selected to my headphones, which was via Bluetooth port, instead of the actual port that it was plugged into. It had a USB-C port plugged in. It decided to run through the headphones, but you gotta make sure you select the right port so actually when you upload it, it will go through the cord or however you're going to make it run to your Arduino, so your Arduino can then run it in exchange and run your program. You have to also make sure you have the correct Arduino kind of picked, or else it won't work properly. So, yeah, the sketch up here is also just allows you to look at this, and your library is just a bunch of stuff. But the export stuff and new and open and save. Open will allow you to open a previous program or any of these that you've done. Save will just allow you to save it when you're on offline. It'll allow you to save it to your desktop. New just opens a new little one for you to do, which I can actually do by showing you this. Opening Blink will open this and it will tell you all the stuff it does for it. It writes the code for you and it tells you everything that's doing in exchange, and it will say it's good. It should already be good though. So that is pretty much all the basic stuff from the Arduino.